Every profession has its own challenges. We need high level of physical and mental fitness to cope up with these challenges.
About 5-6 years back, I had gone to a nutritionist, told us that the biggest flaw was that there was not enough chicken and protein intake in the diet. My general health, fitness, and the general stamina has improved because of chicken consumption. So I would say even for professionals who have day-to-day work and don't get enough time to focus on their food, chicken is a good habit to keep eating.
Traveling is inevitable in my profession. From morning to evening, I had to travel a lot and work hard. To maintain energy level and to keep freshness, I eat chicken regularly.
Speaking about chicken, my daughter loves a lot and it is easy to cook. Taking 1 kg or 2 kg chicken, we can make many items. Make a gravy, chicken kebab or any chicken popcorn. All a variety comes in 1 or 2 kg of chicken.
From morning till evening, we ride auto and get exhausted. After going home, if we eat a plate of chicken, fried rice or chicken noodles, we feel happy. We feel energized and will be energetic next morning also.
Our work is a lot of pressure and we don't have much of physical activity, so most of them practice yoga and gym. And once you do gym and yoga, you really need that protein. And the protein comes from chicken, which is very lean and it does not involve a lot of fat in it.
We work very hard from morning 8 to till evening. Our work demands a lot of physical fitness. Therefore, I eat chicken and egg every morning.
Chicken every day for everlasting health.